Hello everyone and welcome. We have an amazing sighting here taken live from the International Space Station today by a YouTuber named George Burch, which you see there. And I want everyone please to go over to his channel and subscribe. I'm going to put his link in the description. So this is taken off a live feed. I tried to get a little bit more information from him as to what he used to record it, what website, what software, how did he do it. So I'm hoping he gets back to me on that, and when he does I will put that in the description as well. But you can see this object doing some pretty crazy things here, and wow. You can see a stationary, maybe a star or some kind of light in the background, so you know that it's not just the camera moving around. That is on the stationary object is on the right lower side, kind of in the middle, maybe on the right side. In a minute here we're going to hear NASA start talking, so I'm going to stop talking while they communicate and let you hear that, so check that out.
Station on 2 for the PMC.
Go ahead on 2, and we're
on 2.
And we are privatized on Space to Ground 4 and ready for your conference.
You're also going to hear George in the background, and just wanted to let you know that. So here we go.
I'm going to be on SSC 22. You probably saw me log in, and I'm going to start off, and Drew's going to pick up here in a few minutes. We don't really have much to talk about.
You don't have much to talk about.
Ricky, check comms there. I'm starting a PMC here on Space Ground 4.
And Station Houston on 2. Hey Ricky, it's good to talk to you. So for your PMC, we're going to start with Makers first, private on Space to Ground 4, and then you will pick up after he completes, and we'll keep the call configured.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Whoa. Whoa, baby, where are you going?
All right, so I left a little bit of George's comments in there because he's cool. I like him. I dig that guy. So yeah, watch this thing just move around. It only gets better towards the end, and of course stay to the end because NASA does their famous blue screen of death shots where they just completely cut the feed and the screen goes blue, and he's got that recorded on here too. Look at that thing. Wow. That's pretty amazing. It really is. It's a great capture by George, and he does a lot of great videos, and I've seen it, everything on his channel, and there's no CGI, no trickery. He's a good guy, good channel. Like I said, please go over there and hit subscribe, check out some of his videos. They're really good. So as we're just watching this thing here, I want to thank all my subscribers, and it really means a lot, every single one of you that hits that subscribe button or hits that like button. It really helps me out. I work really hard at this, spend a lot of long hours each day searching for stuff. I'm not going to put up crap, tiny little dots in the sky, and I'm not going to fold and start putting CGI stuff up there just so I can get thousands upon thousands, even millions of views, like certain other channels whose names I will not mention. Third face from the sun. Excuse me. And yeah, this is amazing footage. And what can I say? I mean, it's not a Chinese lantern up in space. You know, I mean, if you guys think you can explain this, I'd love to hear it. I really would. I think it's amazing.
What the fucking hell
So,
is that?
yeah, this is a zoomed in shot. He said he couldn't zoom out anymore. Just the way he recorded it. So, you know, unfortunately, you know, it would be great if you could see the ISS in the background, or the Earth, or, you know, something like that, but it just wasn't in the cards this time, I guess. It's just the way it was done. So yeah, awesome sighting. We got about a minute left here, and what else do I want to talk about? Hey, do you guys want to see a video of a bunch of, you know, crazy people uploading stuff to MUFON? Because I've got tons of that footage, so let me know if you guys want to see that. There's the screen of death there.
Stop now.
So thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe. We will check you out soon.